Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel 900 and also welcome to this new series of educational videos. In this video, we will see the best options trading strategy for intraday. Here I am using Bank Nifty chart. You can use this strategy for any stock or any index or any currency, whatever you like. In this strategy, we use only two indicators. Using these two indicators, we will try to identify the entry, stop loss and how to fix our or calculate our target. One point to be noted before going into the depth of the strategy is you should use this strategy for only one or two times. You may get entries of sometimes you may get two times entry or sometimes you may get three times entry, but it is recommended that you use this strategy for only one time. It is highly recommendable if at all, if you want, that is if you want to take some risk in the profit you have got, you can use it for the second time, but it is highly recommended that only use this strategy for only one time or two times max on that particular day. Generally in any market we will have only three trends. One is the most common trend is this sideways trend, that is market will go into a range most of the time. Then after breaking that range, it will either move an upside. If it is moving upside, then we call this uptrend. Again it has given a sideways, that is it has created a box here. Again it has given a breakdown of this level. Again this is a downtrend. So only three trends will be there in a market. One is a sideways market, one is a upside market, and the third one is the downside market. So using these indicators, we can also identify the trend. If the market is moving adjacent to these indicators, these two indicators, that is this is one indicator, this is second indicator, which I will show you in the video. If the market is moving in between these indicators, then we have to treat this as sideways market. If the market is moving away from the moving average, one indicator is the moving average, so if the market is moving away from the moving average on the upside, then it is a long side market. If the market is moving below this moving average, then it is a downside market. These are the important points to be noted. This is purely a intraday strategy, and here I am using, that's the reason here I am using the 5-minute chart of Bank Nifty. For this strategy, we will use two indicators. The first indicator is moving average exponential, EMA, and the second indicator is VWAP. You can directly go these indicators and search for these two indicators. For moving average, you can type EMA, then this indicator will come moving average exponential. You can just select this indicator, and for VWAP, you just type VWAP in indicators, you will get this V volume weight average price. This is one indicator, these two indicators, and the settings will be for the first indicator, the EMA. For this setting, the length will be, here I am using 9 for this length, and the remaining settings all will be default. And for our understanding purpose, I am using the color as, for the EMA, I am using the color as orange. And for VWAP, the settings, the default settings will work like that only, but you have to go to style. By default, these two settings, that is this upper band and lower band, you have to deselect this upper band and lower band. That is, we will see only VWAP line, and that too the color will be blue color. And in input section, by default this will be selected bands multiplier. You can just deselect this and click OK. That's all. The settings are default settings only. If you have any confusion in these settings, you just go back to this video and again check the settings. Both this moving average indicator and VWAP indicator, how can we identify our entry point and how can we fix our target and stop loss. The first criteria is this, as previously I told you, this orange line is this moving average indicator and this blue line is this VWAP indicator. When this orange line, that is when moving average crosses this blue line, then we have to find a long position. That is, our entry should be for the long position. That is, either you can take a call option or you can sell a put option. Whenever this orange line in a particular day, after opening the market on that particular day, when this orange line crosses this blue line, that is the moving average goes above this VWAP, this is our entry point. In this area, this is our entry point, that is here, somewhere here, which is near 47,100. So our entry point is 47,100. The entry point, this is the entry point, and this candle's low is the initial stop loss for us. Later on, we will trail our stop loss using this moving average only. That is, our entry point is 47,100 and our stop loss is the low of this candle, which is near 47,055. That is, this 50 points is our stop loss, and you can fix the target in two ways. Either you can trail your stop loss, or you can just double the stop loss. That is, if the stop loss is 50 points, you can double your target. That is, your target will be 100 points. That is, your entry point is 47,100. So your first target will be 47,200, somewhere here. So as soon as the price reaches this level, you can either square off your position, or you can trail your position using this moving average only. That is, how can you trail your position by using this moving average? When the price is above this moving average, you can trail your, that is, you can hold your long position. Whenever price break this, that is here at this point, price has given a breakdown of this moving average. Here you can exit. In this way, you can hold your position for the long time. Now let's see the example of a downtrend. Here, as you can see, this candle, that is, here the orange line came below this blue line. So our entry point is here, and our exit point is, that is, our target is, as soon as this candle has given a breakout of this moving average, here we will exit our position. Almost here also, from 46,800 to this level, 46,700, we captured almost 100 points in this trade also. In this way, you can use this both the indicators, that is, you can use this moving average and VWAP. Like this, you can go on testing like this, you can back test like this by moving backwards and see. Before using any strategy, you do a complete back test of the strategy. So what is the success rate of this strategy? As I back tested this strategy for the last 5 years, the success rate of this strategy is more than 70%. Even if the strategy success rate is only 50%, then also you will be in profit. How? Because here we are fixing our stop loss, and our target will be the double of the stop loss. That is, if the stop loss is 50 points, our target will be 100 points. That is, in 10 trades, even if you lose 5 trades, how many points you lose? That is, maybe 5 into 50, 250 points. Even if you win 5 trades, then 5 into 100, 500. Then also you are in profit. If you want more strategies like this, share this video to as many people as you can. For daily live updates, you can join our Telegram channel using the link below in the description box. If you have any doubts in these strategies, you can ask your doubts in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions at the earliest possible. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.